Did you know this in Blender Octane? If you have this animation here, I have this geometry and the mesh is deforming. If I go into my render view, you'll see in the render view that it's actually moving. Now, if I go to set this to render, once I get the render out, you'll notice nothing is moving. Like the animation is stuck on the first frame. There's a thing that you need to do in Octane. When you come over to, you select your geometry. If you come over here to the side, you see this object type here. It's in your Octane settings. You'll scroll down Octane settings. Here it says object type. And right now it's scattered movable. So if you just take the geometry and move its position, it's okay. It will render. But if you start deforming the mesh, you're going to need to change this mode to reshapeable proxy. Once you do that, go ahead and render out your frames. Then after that, now your animation should be rendering properly. Just make sure if you're deforming the mesh, you need to change it to reshapeable proxy, and then everything should be okay.